Hey, welcome back. This is a great day again. In this video, you will understand how exactly English can be spoken very confidently, right? Where there is confidence, mostly people are getting afraid of this. They have the simple and single problem, that is, they don't understand to make the sequence of their words. English speaking is not tough, but tough is to arrange the sentences and speak the stylish way, right? This is the more burden, and once that becomes your habit, it means English becomes your cup of tea. But if you don't have this kind of environment, so definitely you get big problem. Today I'm here to solve your all the problems very easily. You are seeing on the screen, it is the formalities the most commonly you have seen earlier. I have defined you how the grammatical rules are really important to make your impressive English. You know what happens? Basically the communication nearby you, the people are speaking. Lot of good school students are already speaking very good grammar and in good English, but actually most of them are not speaking correct sentences, and that always makes them incorrect, and their real eagerness comes down. Why? Because just one mistake, they don't try to focus the grammatical rule and regulations. I can claim you, the people who don't have really grammatical portion very clear, they can't be honestly stronger in communication. But the people who have grammatically very clearance, they are really ahead everywhere, awesome speaking, and they have no doubts. Who will wish that the person would like to go back? Everybody will wish that I must go forward, I must be ahead, and that's the great thing which I'm helping you here. See, here you have first one, simple. I'm saying shortly simple, right? The sentence is just like present from present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite. All are same, anywhere it could go. I'm making a sentence which is from present indefinite. I have defined already earlier that in present indefinite and in past indefinite, the simple sentence has little bit change. Present indefinite and past indefinite, helping verb does not use in the simple sentence. Like this, I'm saying the simple sentence. It is here. You can see how I'm creating a sentence without helping verb. I say, I go to village. It is correct. It is correct sentence, right? Or I could change it here. I could say he goes to village. When I use he, then go with ses. When I say I, then just simply go. This is, the rule I have defined already earlier class. You can see my previous videos. Next one is, it's a negative. Then he doesn't go to village. Okay, this is very pure. There's no any kind of mistake. You could see here in this sentence I have created very proper way. Now next one is interrogative. Here helping verb comes first. So does he go to village? Asking, does he go to village? You can ask like this. Negative. Does he not go to village? Now saying, asking him, does he not go to village? In Hindi you could say, क्या वो गाँव नहीं जाता है? क्या वो गाँव जाता है? क्या वो गाँव नहीं जाता है? Like this. In question word, why does he go to village? It means वह गांव क्यों जाता है? Why does he go to village? वह गांव क्यों जाता है? and question word negative is why doesn't he go to village. Okay, here is why doesn't he go to village. It means we can say that there is very small change in sometime. According to rule, I have already told you that in this sentence, question word plus helping verb plus subject plus not. Okay, this is the rule. I can show you here. This is the rule, but see, question word plus helping verb plus subject plus not, right? But this is not spoken. People are saying like this and it is acceptable. That's why it doesn't matter. You could say like this. Now if I go the same sentence I use with somebody else, I say I go to village, I do not, because you understand that it will be do with I. So I do not, I don't go to village. Do I go to village? Do I not go to village? Okay, do I not go to village? You could say like this. And why do I go to village? And why do I not go to village? Okay, this is how I can say a sentence. So this is the way how I can make easily my English much better. I can use another words there also. I can put here Ravi and Dinesh go to village, Ravi and Dinesh do not go to village, do Ravi and Dinesh go to village, do Ravi and Dinesh not go to village, when do Ravi and Dinesh go to village, when do Ravi and Dinesh not go to village. I can change the question word when, why, when, where, which. There are 9 question words: why, where, which, when, whom, how, what, who, like this. So you can put any of them which is making the sense of the sentence, right? This is the easiest way, but this should be practiced, and I can help you here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on the comments, right? So this is the very easiest way to understand. You can put in present continuous. I am going to village. Now see, because of I set you the rule that if I go through rule, I don't go by the sentence, I go through rule. So there is, you could see I am going to village, I am not going to village, am I going to village, am I not going to village, when am I going to village, when am I not going to village. I can change it. I have done my work, I have not done my work, have I done my work, have I not done my work, when have I done my work, when have I not done my work. In present perfect. I can say in past, I went village, because I said that this rule will not, past also will not follow. So I, or we can say he went to village. Okay, just like this. He went village, he did not go to village, did he go to village, did he not go to village, why did he go to village, why did he not go to village, right? In past perfect, he had gone to village, he had not gone to village, had he gone to village, had he not gone to village, or hadn't he gone to village, why had he gone to village, why hadn't he gone to village, or why had he not gone to village. This is possibly can be used. So very easily I can tell you. Okay, in future I will, because in future this kind of problem is not there. Okay, in future easily he or I shall go to village, I shall not go to village, shall I go to village, shall I not go to village, when shall I go to village, when shall I not go to village, right? This practice must be done. And continuous, one thing will be added, be. I shall be going to village, I shall not be going to village, shall I be going to village, shall I not be going to village, when shall I be going to village, when shall I not be going to village. Very correct, no doubt. In present perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, there is little bit change, because since for you will add further. So you say I have been will be between. Okay, I have been going to village, I have been is between. There's a just for managing this, I have been going to village since morning. I have not been going to village since morning. Have I been going to village since morning? Have I not been going to village since morning? Why have I been going to village since morning? Or how have, you can use the question word, you can use anything, which is correct senseful. So why have I been, why have I not been going to village since morning? In future perfect continuous also we can use I shall have been is additionally at I shall have been going to village since morning. I shall not have been going to village since morning. Shall I have been going to village since morning? Shall I not have been, additionally, shall I not have been going to village since morning? Why shall I have been going to village since morning? Why shall I not have been going to village since morning? It's just, so these are the ways that every sentence you can use under this rule, and that's the very finest way of understanding complete tense. And this should practice. If you do per day 50 time practice, if you could do this, so English lifetime will bow in front of you, who will respect you, adore you, right? So everything has a patch, and I think this is the super way. If you have any doubt, please ask me again. I'll help you always, because of this is my perfection part, so I can do this. Thank you. Good day. Keep in touch.